The video declassified by Pentagon shows critical moments in the mid-air encounter, which lasted between 30 and 40 minutes. The camera of the MQ-9 Reaper is pointed backward toward its tail and the drone's propeller. Then, a Russian Sukhoi Su-27 fighter jet is shown approaching. As it comes close, the Russian fighter jet dumps fuel. Later the Russian jet makes another pass and dumps fuel again. The video from the drone is then disrupted. Pentagon insists that the Russian fighter jet collided with the MQ-9 Reaper, damaging the propeller. When the camera comes back online, the propeller is shown damaged. The drone operators bring it down in international waters southwest of Crimea. According to Pentagon, operators remotely wiped the drone's sensitive software, preventing secret materials falling into enemy hands before it crashed into the water. Pentagon did not explain what its drone was doing in the restricted area. Russia has denied that a collision occurred. National Security Council Communications Coordinator John Kirby said on CNN this morning Wednesday that the drone had not been recovered and that he was not sure the U.S. would be able to recover it. Russia views the incident with the American drone in the Black Sea as a provocation, said Russian Ambassador to the United States Anatoly Antonov. According to the Russian Defense Ministry, on the morning of March 14, an MQ-9 drone with transponders turned off violated the borders of the area of the temporary regime, due to special military operation, for the use of airspace over the Black Sea. The military department emphasized that the Russian fighters did not come into contact with the MQ-9, did not use airborne weapons, and returned safely to their home airfield. Due to abrupt maneuvering, the drone went into uncontrolled flight with a loss of altitude and fell into the water. The Russian military will raise an American drone from the bottom of the sea if it deems it necessary, said Russian President's spokesman Dmitry Peskov.